Hey, are you trying to make your first $1,000 online in affiliate marketing? Maybe you just started affiliate marketing and you're an affiliate marketing beginner. Well, this video is for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $1,000 and how I made my first $100,000 online. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that you can make $100,000 online. Income disclaimer, it all depends on your work ethic and your skill level and how much you actually apply yourself, right? If you do no work, you will earn nothing, right? So you have to actually be consistent with whatever strategy that you use online, but these are the foundations that you will need to make your first $1,000 online as an affiliate marketing beginner, right? So let's get into it. So first and foremost, you need a way to retain leads. So below this video, you'll find a capture page of how I actually did this, right? So if you want to find out how I did it, make sure you click on the link directly below this video, put in your information, and you'll be taken to a presentation that gives you information on how I actually did that. Now, for you, you're going to need a way to retain those leads to be able to build an email list. Your email list is the #1 asset that you'll use online. So everybody gathers on your email list. Your email list is like having an offline list of customers that come into your store, right? So imagine having online business. The list that you have is your email list, right? That's all your customers that ever come into your business. You're creating a list of customers or people who show you that they're interested in online business, right? So you're going to need a way to capture those leads, capture contact information to be able to follow up with them without having a capture page like this right here that captures their information. It's going to be hard for you to actually follow up with people. So that's the first step. So that's going to be something that's very important for you to do whenever you're building your business online, right? So whenever you're able to do that, how you're going to get leads is I like to generate leads by YouTube and Facebook. Why do I like to use YouTube and Facebook? Because on YouTube, you could create video content, you could create videos to solutions that people are looking for, right? So when they search your name on YouTube or they search for a solution and they find your video, you're now the authority and you're somebody that can actually help them to be able to get the result they want. So they find your video, you solve the problem, now they like you and they can watch you even while you're sleeping. So even while I'm sleeping, somebody is watching this video. You're watching this video right now. So video content is very important. And if you don't create video content, nobody will know who you are. And you want to make yourself known online, right? And have an online presence, right? So create video content is very important. You don't know who needs to hear your message on the day that you're creating a video. Somebody might watch your video and be like, wow, that was really impactful. I'm glad that I watched their video and it has helped me so much. So I'm going to go and sign up with them. You never know who's going to find this video right here. So this is very important. This is why I always create video, even though I don't do any editing or anything like that on my videos. I put them out like they are. So you're going to want to create video content and do it anyway. Even if you have a fear, the best way to overcome your fear is to do more of it, right? Do what you fear and you're going to get results, right? If you have an issue with being on video, like you have a stutter, kind of like me or something like that, you just do more video and you become better at talking. You become more confident. You're able to talk in front of people and things like that now, right? So your capture page is going to be very important. And how we actually create this capture page is we go over here to the Funnel Builders Academy, right? So this is the page that I actually create everything off of from this funnel builder, right? So you click on here, you get the funnel builder. The funnel builder tool is $25 per month and you get a $20 per month in residual income. So you could actually make money from your funnel builder tool and you could build whatever you want. You could build sales funnels, you could build websites, you could build a membership site that people have subscriptions to a digital product. You could build an e-commerce store. You could build any kind of page that you want for $25 per month and you get a $20 per month in residual income. And we also show you different things. So you also get this course on the funnel builder tool right here as well with this. So here's the things that you need to do. Here's how you start. Here's how you set up your funnel builder. right? So here's how you get your domain and your custom domain to be able to have a business email, and then you're going to link it to your funnel builder and integrate it so that way you can do email marketing and be able to manage your business, right? And here's some steps you need to be able to do so your emails get delivered to the inbox. It's right here. And then down here is going to show you how to create pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to share your funnels, how to do different things like how to track where your leads are coming from. Leads are just people who have interest in whatever you have. So that's what a lead is. And then you're going to learn different things like how to create a membership site, how to do upsells and downsells, how to sell your own products. All this for only $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income. So we basically pay you to use the funnel builder tool that I built this page off of right here. We pay you $20 per month. Now, if you want to make more money, you're going to want to get the coaching right here, which you get 2 weeks free of this when you get the funnel builder tool. Just make sure you check the box when you go and sign up, right? So, basically with this portion right here, we teach you marketing strategies. We teach you every single day live by Zoom. Like we're the only platform that goes live by Zoom and does over the shoulder marketing, right? And then we answer questions. We're the only platform online that does that. No other company or opportunity does this. So we show you how to launch your own business, how to invite people, and how to do things like get unlimited leads on Facebook, how to follow up with your leads, how to do short form lead generation, how to do YouTube ranking on your videos, how to get more people to your videos, how to do Facebook ads on Facebook and things like that, free ways, how to do podcasting, how to get leads on LinkedIn, how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog, how to do a launch. So if you're launching your own products, this is what this teaches you right here. So we teach you that stuff. Then we have the page strategies. The page strategies are low cost lead generation if you have a storefront business, or solo ads, or text message marketing, or Facebook automation for your videos. So if you have an automation channel or a YouTube automation, so if you have a YouTube channel and you're automating your videos, YouTube automation is big right now. Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. So those are the things you'll learn for the page section right there. And then we show you how to convert your leads as well. So this is all training and things like that. We continue to add to it. We never raise the price for you, and we keep the prices the same. So basically you get 2 weeks free of that, and then that's going to give you $100 per month in residual income. So with the funnel builder tool and the coaching, it's $120 per month you'd be earning in residual income. So that's pretty much what that is. Then this is a goal setting app. This goal setting app right here, it allows you to stay on track, to be able to put down your tasks, to be able to set goals, to be able to accomplish your tasks on a daily basis and be more productive. This is $10 per month. This gives you $8 per month in residual income. And it's really cool because you can stay on track. You can be able to get more done in a day and be able to build and grow your business the right way. This gives you $128 per month in residual income. So with 2 people that sign up, that's $96 in profit. So altogether, with these residual products, when you sign up using the link below, it's only going to be $35. So $35 to sign up to get these 3 products right here, because you get the 2-week free trial of this. Then it's $125 per month, and you earn $100 per month in residual income. So if you're looking to build and grow your business online and be able to get to $1,000 per month would only be 10 sales if you have all the products. So $128 per month per sign up, you only need 10 people to be able to get to $1,000 per month. So this makes it easy, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the link below this video and go to this page right here, and then you're going to want to watch that video presentation to actually know what you're getting before you sign up, and it's only going to be $35, right? So if you have $35 and you want to make $1,000 per month, all you got to do is click on the link below this video and opt into that page right there, and you'll be able to learn more information. So yeah, that's all I have for you today, and I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. Make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that below this video as well. And if you need some traffic to your offers, there's going to be a link to my traffic store below as well. All right, and if you have questions or comments that you want to put below, put them below and I will answer them. And I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.